Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison of two powerful finance apps, and they are Docyt and Freshbooks. One brings cutting-edge AI automation, the other is a trusted favorite for freelancers and small businesses. Let's find out which one is right for you. Let's start with their main focus. Docyt is AI-powered bookkeeping and real-time automation, while Freshbooks focuses on invoicing, accounting, and time tracking. When we look at their AI capabilities, Docyt automates reconciliation, categorization, and forecasting, while Freshbooks has limited AI, it's more about manual bookkeeping. When we look at who or what they are best for, Docyt is best for businesses needing full AI-driven accounting automation, while Freshbooks is best for freelancers and service-based small businesses. Now let's look at their ease of use. Docyt has a smart AI dashboard, but is slightly advanced, while Freshbooks is very beginner-friendly and simple to use. Lastly, pricing. Docyt has a premium plan focused on automation, while Freshbooks is affordable, has tiered plans for different business sizes. Here's a breakdown. Docyt is like having a digital accountant, automating bookkeeping, reconciliation, and giving you real-time financial insight. Freshbooks, on the other hand, is designed for freelancers and small service businesses. It makes invoicing, time tracking, and expense management simple. So what's the takeaway? Docyt equals full automation with AI intelligence, while Freshbooks equals user-friendly invoicing and small business accounting. Your pick depends on whether you need AI-powered automation or easy invoicing and bookkeeping. So which one would you prefer? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart finance comparison. Only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.